on the table, I have in front of me an offering from Wotofo. The NexPod.
The NexPod from Wotofo.
Wotofo?
Pod-based disposables.
Alex, pop it open, give them some twirlies, and let me tell you all about it. What you have here, Alex, is an 8mm pod, semi-disposable. So you actually keep the battery here. You've got a 680 milliamp hour battery. Now that takes your 8mm pod, which there's a selection of 18 different flavors. And in those pods, there is a mesh coil. When your device runs out, it's USB-C chargeable. And on the base where you'll see that charge port, you'll also see there's an adjustable airflow. Now, the devices themselves, which are these here, they're available in 4 different colorways, and we have black. So, you know.
We do. We have the color that, isn't actually a color in real life, is it? Black, so.
I don't know, it's the color black.
Yeah.
It's the color black.
It's not.
What color's that? It's black.
Black and white aren't actually colors, are they?
Ridiculous storyline.
Okay.
In here, Alex, so they've all got little caps on. I haven't really had chance to play around and remove caps and stickers.
No.
So they're all ready to go. But
well, I mean,
what they've done is they've clearly given us a retail sample kit. So like, you can put a rubber on it, as they say. Would you like to put a rubber on it before you put it in your mouth?
No, I'm going to go bareback with these.
Okay, well, I like to put a rubber on it.
Why?
I just find it's the safer way. I came back from
I'm
Expo.
a risk taker. I think that's probably the problem there.
I got slightly overtired, late nights, early mornings. Too big a hotel breakfast, to be honest. And just for precaution, put a rubber on it. So, out of these 18 flavors, Alex, where will you start your vaping journey?
I'm going to go for mango yogurt ice.
Don't forget, on here, there's a transparent sticker on the base to stop it making contact.
I know. I already opened
Busted.
this one already.
Caramel tobacco.
Let's go.
Look at that.
Oh. Now, as I always say, why does everything have to have ice in it? This one is quite icy, but bearable because the mango yogurt is a triumph.
Now, bearing in mind, these are for outside of TPD regions. There isn't a TPD version of this device just yet.
No.
So you are hitting a 5% nicotine.
So 50 milligrams of
50.
Nic salt.
Now, we're quite lucky because our podcast is mainly outside of Europe. The largest percentage of our audience is outside of the UK, outside of Europe. We're talking to you guys in the States.
Oh, this is good.
Stateside.
States. Oh my God, this is so good. I love this mango yogurt
prefer
ice.
the English accent. So, just stick with it.
Well, it's because it's quite condescending, isn't it, the English accent? Without even meaning to, we can condescend.
Well, do you know, one of the things that they joke about is that we're lightweights when it comes to nicotine. And I got to be honest, 5%, you can feel it.
Who said that? Who said that to you?
I hit that.
Have you just made that up?
No. That's been
who
said
said it
quite
to
a
you?
few times.
Who said it to you?
The last person who really gave me a hard time is Dimitri from Inikin.
The vaping Greek?
Yeah, the vaping geek. Yeah.
Geek?
Yeah, he called me a pussy. Because I had 3mg 7030.
Yeah, but then you are a pussy.
But it was like, what about...
I'm 20 milligram
Nic
all day
salts?
long, every day.
Well, if I have a Nic salt, I like a 10mg, please.
Yeah, 20. Go for 20.
No.
See,
no,
these 50s...
No. These 50s hit hard.
Bro, if I could vape 50 every day, do you know what I would do? I'd vape 50 every day.
I'm going to have mango pear. Read us off the flavours that you've got there, Alex.
So we've got pina colada, strawberry mango, Sakura milk, which I have no idea what that is, but I tried it off camera and it was lovely. Mango yogurt ice, forest berries, strawberry yogurt, grape apple, monster ice, watermelon lychee, strawberry cone?
Ooh.
What? That can't be a name. Strawberry cone.
Like an ice cream, I guess. Cone of ice cream.
Purple Raz Ice. 3 melons. That's a bit like Total Recall, isn't it? Strawberry Lush. Tropical Ice. Mango Gummy. Mint. And caramel tobacco.
Caramel tobacco was amazing.
I'm going to try what I'm now referring to as Total Recall.
Please, wait 1 second.
No, I'm not going to please wait 1 second.
Look, I'll take my rubber off it, and I want you to try this mango pear.
I'm not getting sloppy seconds, mate.
No. Honestly, I had a rubber on it. It's fine. You won't get my lurgy. Mango pear. How sweet is that flavour?
That's really good.
It's like full-on candy, lush, mouth-watering.
That's really good.
So,
I'm going to try 3 melons. Total Recall.
Do it.
Total Recall. Oh. Wotofo, you are doing a sterling job with these NexPods. I like 50 milligrams. Please send me some just for myself. Please send me some just for myself. Oh, that 3 melons is good.
Right, Alex, I found a classic flavour here. It's called Monster Ice.
I know, I've already read all the flavours off, Pete.
Right. Now, as far as I know, there's only one kind of flavour profile Monster, and that is an energy drink. And if you're going to be straight up and call it Monster, I'm going to be straight up and vape it. Yep, it's good, Alex. It is good. Just like the drink. It's the green version as well.
Guys at home, look at Pete. Right, look at his face.
Hi, everyone.
He's a nice guy. He's got a nice guy face.
Yeah.
You know, he's at least 50-year-old from the eyebrows up and 12-year-old from the eyebrows down. And when he's asleep, he actually looks really intimidating. He looks almost scary asleep. And then he wakes up and you see this happy-go-lucky character from like the Vicar of Dibley or Heartbeat there. Just some sort of, you know...
Monster Ice is incredible, Alex.
But I'm trying Mango Gummy because let's bring it back to the Wotofo NexPod.
I got all these stickers and I feel like I should put them back in. I don't know why, but I'm going to.
Well, I know because you like doing that. So what I've done is everyone I've tried, I've not put the sticker back on the bottom just to annoy you.
Right.
Mango Gummy, Triumph. There you go. Give it a go.
Okay, I'll jump on that. Go on, you try another one and I'll have it off you after.
I mean, keep in mind these are 50 milligram though, Pete. So
yeah, I'm getting nicked out early on in the podcast. That's probably not
gonna potentially destroy both of us.
Oh, their flavours are incredible. Yeah, so like the gummy, that is definitely like the Haribo-esque experience.
It is, yeah.
Incredible. Love it.
I've got grape apple here.
Grape and apple. Okay.
I like grape. We both like apple vapes.
Is it going to be fruity? Is it going to be candy?
How is it going to come across? Let's see.
Can I have the sticker to put back on this? No. Okay, fine. I'll just put it back there like that. Oh no. Alex. Fine. I mean, that camera display looks untidy. Look, here, we'll try and tidy up that shot a little bit for you. Look, there's so many to try. They're very high nicotine.
Mate, that is a sexual revolution.
This is the last one I'm trying, Alex, before I become like totally nicked out. Grape and apple.
So on the NexPod device itself, as I did demonstrate when Pete was saying about all of the tech specs and I was ignoring him, the airflow control, wide open, is still... It's not too wide open. So for a mouth-to-lung pod system, it works really, really well.
Yeah.
Really good flavour.
I've got mine set to wide open as well. And it's like airy, but just right for mouth-to-lung.
The flavour development on these pods is phenomenal. I mean, to be fair, disposables do seem to have like the nature of how disposables put together when it comes to flavouring and reservoirs over tanks and stuff like that. It's the way that the flavour is accomplished is superb. And I think that what Wotofo have done here with the actual NexPod itself is really work out what airflow is the best. Most people are going to leave it open. And that's all you need. It's really, really well put together. It's a really, really good bit of kit.
I think we're going to see more devices like this. Safer for the environment. Better for the environment, should we say. You're not going to have all that wasted lithium, which is great. you've still got the disposable pod, but then we've had disposable pods for quite a long time.
Today I'm in my friends in my head. It's Lithium by Nirvana.
Ah, see, I thought I was boring you and you kind of drifted away.
No.
Huh, well, that's
Not
great.
yet. I don't think. I think if I'm going to drift away, it's going to be on a sea of 50 milligram Nick salt.
Do you know, Alex? And then 5%. This is amazing outside of TPD regions if you're lucky enough. But it kind of put me over the edge a little.
Yeah. So maybe let's move on to the next thing.
Yeah. Hope you've enjoyed that. That has been the NexPod from Wotofo.
I liked it a lot.